Here's a great Christmas or birthday present idea: the CarPodGo. It's an easy install and you can be up and running in less than 5 minutes. The system comes with multiple built-in stand features and a reverse camera option. And with vehicles with pulse width modulated rear brake lights, you would use this unit right here. It's everything you need to upgrade your car to the next level. Now in my BMW X5, I do not have Apple CarPlay, but you know what? It would be nice to have all those features of a newer car, and this is the way to go. It has a large 8.9 screen that's a lot bigger than my current Samsung Galaxy Ultra. I'm going to be using Android Auto, but this is also Apple CarPlay compatible. Comes with a USB-C to USB cable, a nice mount for a dash mounted installation, very easily powered through your cigarette lighter, and it gives you a USB port and multiple mounting options. For the rear view camera, I'm going to do a separate video because that installation is going to be a little bit more involved. But let's get the main unit up and running. And for theft protection, you can remove it because it has a strong magnetic base to keep it stable and to keep it safe. It does have an adjustable holder. I'm going to bring this out to the max level here, and I'm going to do a windshield mount. Flipping this down is going to lock it to the windshield. Unscrew right here, and we're going to put that over my base, lock it on. Now the safest install is to let it rest on the dash just like this right here. So basically it's a second screen, and that's actually right in my range, so I can actually have quick access to select anything that I want. All right, let's fire it up. And here's the CarPodGo. See how fast that turned on? Let's peel that off. Very satisfying. Now they give you plenty of cables, so you can do a clean install to the best of your ability in your specific vehicle. I have a nice seam right here, so I'm going to run the cable right down the seam for a little bit of a cleaner look. Quick overview of what you see first. We have settings, we have brightness, Bluetooth, that's Android Auto, and Apple CarPlay. If the system is not in English, you would go to settings. In here you would select English or the language of your preference, and they give you quite a few different languages to choose from. This is also where you can set the time and date. But when you select the Bluetooth and you pair it, the time and date should be reflected in Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. Once you're in this menu, you can simply select the option over here that you're looking for. We have Bluetooth, display, volume, audio output, and about. You know, one of the first things that I'd like to set would be volume. I want my navigation volume to be a little bit higher than my media and phone. Now what's awesome about the CarPodGo is the audio output options. We have dual Bluetooth, so it's paired to the car and your phone at the same time. If your car is an older car, they do have an FM selection too. So you can select a station that is static on your radio, and this will output to that station of your choice, and the sound will come through using FM. Now you can also, if you have an aux port, you can use aux mode and connect it directly to your car via aux mode. Or you can use the internal speaker that is built into the device. So this alone is a great feature for this device. The CarPod Pro does an amazing job to give you multiple options depending on what car you have. You can put this in any car. Now on my BMW, I do have Bluetooth, so I'm going to use the dual Bluetooth mode. Now when you select a different setting, it will reset, and that is normal operation. It's configuring the CarPodGo for the system that you want. So I'm going to go to Bluetooth on my phone, and here it is, PND 19B3. I'm going to select that. You're going to simply pair your CarPodGo, see right here, PND 19B3, and immediately Android Auto's up and running. That's how fast and easy it is to set this up. Now you can do dual screen, or you can do one full screen if you want full navigation. No Apple CarPlay or Android Auto in your car? The CarPodGo is the solution. That 8.9-inch screen is simply awesome. Here's a neat trick to switch it from dark mode to light mode. Just swipe, and it's a quick switch. The CarPodGo is the only 60 frames per second wireless CarPlay or Android Auto portable screen on the market. Provides super smooth user experience, quick response with zero lag. Easily switch between main maps or music. System is super responsive. I'm using pure Bluetooth, chosen about 99% of the time when you can pair your phone to your car and it interfaces with the CarPodGo. And the full lamination screen seamlessly is integrated with the case, providing a sleek all-black look, and it really does enhance the visual feature. I've been driving around with this CarPodGo and it is absolutely amazing. I would highly recommend it. This is a nice, quick, easy install, and I feel like I'm driving a modern BMW with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Make sure to check out the description box for a coupon to purchase the CarPodGo T3 Pro. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this helpful. Let me know what you think if you pick one of these up, how you like it.